Here I have Mitsubishi Outlander, and let me show you how to change the distance units on this car. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Now you need to find the settings button. The settings button is located right here in the upper right corner of the screen. Now you've got the access to all settings. So here let's find and select the system settings. If you use the system settings, you can get access to this tab. Now you can choose units. And as you can see here, you've got distance, the measurements units. Right now I'm using kilometers, but if I press it here, I can change it to miles. So you can decide which of the following metrics you would like to use. In my case, I'm used to kilometers, so let me keep kilometers. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.